Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison and I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Let's take a look at section 1, Poetic Devices, and the directions here. It reads, for this section, please fill out the right-hand side for each poetic device as we study poems in class. You will also write your own poem on slide 24, and you'll notice that there are some resources linked here. So if I go to that next slide, I'm going to find that I have a whole bunch of vocab terms from slides 5 all the way to slides 22. These are things we're going to be going over in class. They are on the Quizlet that you used, as well as on the Poetic Device website that's linked above. It all has that here. So you'll notice that your job is to fill out this right-hand side here. So the left-hand side has the definition and example. Your goal is to find an example in a poem that we've read in class, as well as a picture to help you remember this term. So you can click through, and as we go, we'll see this. In class, we will stop, talk about examples. Your job would be to add that to your notebook as we go. So that's going to be step 1. Step 2 is all the way down here, which starts on slide 23. On this next slide, you're going to write a poem that includes at least 3 of the poetic devices above. Underline each poetic device that you use, and you can see these resources for help. So here is a website about different types of poems if you're not sure how to start, and then this one has some poetic devices here. So you can write a poem about anything and everything you want here, right? Your topic is up to you. You have lots of space, and as you're writing, you're going to make sure you underline the poetic devices that you use. All right? I hope this helps. Let me know what questions you have.